adding some sunlight popping out in the distance at the horizon. So this is gonna be like a semi overcast type of look to it, or broken. So as you can see, I'm varying a lot in the colors, and I'm using a very big brush to get a nice variation in there, because you got the sunlight as well as the blue sky, and also the atmosphere and everything affecting the clouds, so they're not just one color, they're multicolored. Just working on the silhouette of the clouds here. I'm gonna do the bigger clouds, the most prominent clouds. I'm just going to not care about transparency at this moment. But still use some variety in the colors. So maybe as I get closer to the sunlight over there, I can change up to a slightly different color of the clouds. And this is up to you if you want to keep it nice and layered, or if you just want to go add it just like blah. For me, it's a mix of blah and a little bit of layers. So I mainly use them as a Control-Z variant, where I can just go back and switch out the layers, or remove them. A little bit of smudge, trying to marry the dabs of colors, you know. But as you get closer to the sun, there's more like burn in the clouds there. So I add some saturation and then keep working in layers of different saturations and lightings. So this cloud goes behind the thicker front one. And of course you can see they're roughly following some sort of perspective. It's easy to forget about perspective when you look at the clouds, because they go all over the place. It's easy to just not see that they actually have form, and that they follow perspective just like mountains or hills and buildings.